Well, the entire opposition is united together and they are protesting inside the parliament at the Makar Dwar of the new parliament building, and they are protesting over here against the misuse of the central agencies. They've been stating that stop misusing ED and CBI and stop dictatorship. They've been alleging that the central probe agencies are being misused by the central government. Remember, there had been arrest which had been done of former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Chief Minister of Delhi, and therefore the reason, perhaps on the initiative of the Aam Aadmi Party, now the entire India bloc had united together. They are protesting over here, including Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders of the India bloc, protesting against the central government, trying to corner the central government on the misuse of the central agencies at the Parliament complex just ahead of this session that is going to start at 11 a.m. This is Ishwar Jain for NDTV in Delhi.